Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at natassiar1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing low-calorie iced tea recipe. It is perfect for those summer days and spring days where you want something refreshing and cool to calm you down after a workout or a great swim. This recipe actually has no refined sugar, and it is great if you're trying to keep a low carb, low calorie diet and you want to make sure that you still look amazing. So stick around as we get into the recipe. If you like today's content and recipe, it will help my channel if you like and subscribe and comment and let me know your thoughts once you actually take a look at the recipe and try it at home. So let's begin. So iced tea historically is packed with tons of sugar. That is why it is one of the most calorie dense drinks you can order at a restaurant or even make at home. So I'm trying to find a more suitable version that is in line with your diet and with your weight loss goals and maintaining your fitness levels. So what I did is I actually experimented with a couple of amazing recipes, which includes hibiscus tea and blueberry, to give you the beautiful vibrant colors and flavors that you need without all the calories and all the sugar. So let's begin with the blueberry iced tea recipe. So how do you make this amazing and glorious iced tea? Simple. So first of all, you boil your hot water in your kettle, okay? Then in your little teapot, what you do is you add a tea bag of any choice. You can do a peppermint tea, you can do a mint tea, you can do a green tea, really up to you. And you can add a slice of lemon if you'd like to give it a little bit of flavor. And then what I do is I add a bit of blueberry cordial, which is sugar-free. You can find a low-calorie or low-sugar version if you'd like. And you put that into your teapot. And once you put that into your teapot, let it steep for about a minute or so. And then in your little martini glass, which I've chosen, you can slice some lemon, you can add some ice, and then you pour that cold brew over your beautiful chunk of ice, and you have an amazing low-calorie iced tea without any sugar or refined sugar, I may say, without tons of calories. And it packs probably about 200 calories per serving, which I think is great compared to the Long Island iced teas out there where it's about 500 calories per serving. So this is a fantastic drink to try out on a summer day, on a spring day, or on a Friday after work where you want to just chill and have some fun with yourself. So a great drink. Look, and it's naturally sweet because of the blueberry. Some people put a little bit of a blueberry puree if you'd like. If you don't want to add refined sugar and a little bit of natural sugar, you can even add a dollop of honey if you'd like. But it is sweet with a shot of cordial. I think it's sufficient. So let's move on to the next pink drink, as I may say. So this pink iced tea is phenomenal. I mean, take a look at the color. Just the color of it on its own is so impressive. The smell is wonderful. The taste, excellent. So this is a hibiscus iced tea. So hibiscus is rich in vitamin C. It has a lot of nutrients naturally, and you can actually make a tea. It helps with lowering your blood pressure. It's anti-inflammatory, so it's a superfood drink as well as a refreshing drink. How awesome is that? So what you do is, as you can see in my little teapot, I already have a beautiful tea of hibiscus with my tea bag. So in a little teapot, as I said previously with the blue drink, you will boil your hot water. You will add that to a tea bag of hibiscus. If you have hibiscus flowers, even better. It's more concentrated and flavorsome. And then you let that steep for about a minute to a minute and a half. And then you add a slice of lemon. And once it's cold and you have your cold brew, here's your perfect drink. You're gonna pour the cold brew over your ice with a slice of lemon, and bingo, you have your beautiful iced tea without the little bit of sugar or refined sugar, and packed with flavor. Guys, when I say packed with flavor, I mean it's packed with flavor. So, oh, this is so good. This is so good. So, what an easy drink in under 5 minutes. And you can whip up a whole jug, and actually if you're serving like guests and family and friends, what an amazing way to actually do this. And you can experiment with flavors. You can do a mint green tea, you can do a basil and lemonade iced tea. There's so many flavors that you can play around with. It doesn't have to be packed with calories. It doesn't have to be packed with sugar for it to be a beautiful iced tea. So try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. And again, give me your comments, inbox me, message me. I'm on every social media platform. You can even drop me a comment and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think.